How to draw the Pokemon Metapod. Hey, what is going on everybody? So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing a circle for the eye. On the inside of the circle, we'll draw a line going across, which will be the top of the eyelid, with a small circle connected that will be filled in completely black, which will be the pupil. Nicely done. Now above the eye and to the left, we're going to begin to draw an oddly shaped curved line to make the top of the body. See, it almost looks similar to a shark fin. Now we're going to extend this by using a longer curved line which will go all the way past the eye to a point. From the point of which we just ended, we'll draw a smaller line. This will also look similar to a shark fin. So far this is a great start. Now we have the outline of the right side of the body completed, we just have to do the exact same thing to the left. So starting up on the top points, we're going to make a long curved line that will be on the left side of the eye. Now on the right side of the curved line that we just drew, we're going to draw a shape that will be connected to it, and keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video. Next, we'll finish drawing the design of Metapod's face, which will consist of connecting this line over to the eye, and then also connecting this line all the way over to the shape that we previously drew. If you're a big fan of Pokemon and you want to learn how to draw more Pokemon characters, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our Pokemon drawing tutorial playlist. Nice job! Now we have a big opening on the bottom portion of Metapod's body, so now we're going to begin to connect this shape all the way over to the right hand side, where we have that right line that we previously drew earlier on in the video. Now we will draw a long curvy line connecting the design all the way down to the bottom line that we just drew. Now last but not least, we have to draw the very bottom portion of Metapod's body. This will be 3 pieces. We're going to begin by making the top layer, which will have 2 curved lines on the inside. Now we just have to draw 2 more layers. The next layer will look identical to what we just drew, but it will be a little bit smaller. For the last layer of this piece, we will not add in any curved lines going up and down for detail. Thank you for watching on Howtodraw Hub. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you a picture of this drawing colored in. If this video helped you out today, be sure to give it a big like so other YouTube artists can see it as well. And be sure to comment what you want to see drawn next. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you would like to browse our Pokemon drawing tutorials, then click on the playlist to the left. If you would like to learn how to draw Mew, then click on the video to the right.